this video, we're going to tell you all the high-paying jobs there are in Canada. All of these salaries which we'll tell you will be in Canadian dollars and not in US dollars. So please make sure you keep that in mind. So let's get straight into the video. The first job role is of web developers. Web developers are very, very important when it comes to developing and designing and analyzing any kind of website or a mobile application. A lot of companies rely completely on their mobile applications or their websites to run their business. For example, in India, we have companies like Zomato and Swiggy, which are completely app-based. So there are a lot of companies in Canada also, which require such systems and such applications. So if you become a web developer in Canada, you can expect a salary which is upwards of 70,000. The next job role is of electrical engineers. So in Canada, the demand for electrical engineers is less as compared to the supply of electrical engineers. Electrical engineers are responsible for creating, constructing and making the electrical systems of a company in order to safely operate in the systems. These job roles tend to pay you upwards of 90,000 Canadian dollars. The next job role is of veterinarians, that is vets. In Canada, a lot of people have a lot of pets and the supply of veterinarians is very low as compared to the number of pets there are. So this can be a very, very good job role for the people who love animals and want to be helpful towards animals. These are very, very high paying, unlike in India veterinarians are not given that much of a salary, but abroad, like in Canada, the salaries of veterinarians can even go up to 95,000 Canadian dollars. The next job role is of human resource executives. So this job role tends to pay you a very, very high salary because it has a lot of responsibility on your shoulder. You have to make sure you bring in the right talent in order to make sure the company's future is good. So the salaries over here which you can expect are upwards of 65,000 Canadian dollars. The next one is of financial advisors. Financial advisors generally advise individual families on how they can secure their future in financial planning. And also they work at banks to sell bank products and even the financial products which the bank has to sell. These job roles tend to provide you a salary upwards of 62,000 Canadian dollars. The next job role is of aerospace engineers. To become an aerospace engineer, you need to have an aerospace engineering degree. Also, in this job role, you have to create and construct different kinds of aerospace products and even machines and vehicles. This job role tends to provide you a very, very demanding salary because this is a very niche job role and tends to give you salary which is upwards of 100,000 Canadian dollars. The next job role is of a project manager. A project manager tends to have a lot of skill sets, including marketing, sales, technical ability and many more depending on the kind of projects he handles. This also includes managing a lot of people and juggling around different responsibilities. If you see yourself fit into this role, you can go for this role because it tends to pay you a very high salary, which is upwards of $90,000. The next job role is of accounts manager. So an accounts manager generally tends to make sure that the customer relationships are maintained, either new ones or the existing customer relationships as well. Most of the companies look for an account manager who is very good at managing the customer relationship management softwares as well. If you find yourself having all of these skill sets, please consider this job role because the salaries are upwards of 85,000 Canadian dollars. The next job role is of business development managers. Since the name suggests, they help in developing a business by closing in more sales, helping the sales teams and marketing teams getting more leads and getting more sales basically. This job role also tends to provide you a very, very high salary which is upwards of $95,000. Last but not the least, we have software engineers. Software engineers are always in demand, and with Web3 coming and all of the technologies turning into softwares and mobile apps and developments, it's very, very evident that these job roles are going to be there for an eternity and throughout. If you have the skills or you would want to develop the skills like Java, Python, coding, etc., if you feel that you're interested in all of that, please consider this job role as well because they tend to pay you a very, very high amount which is upwards of 100,000 Canadian dollars. So guys, these were the job roles which you can get in. These pay you a very high amount and also have a very good job satisfaction ratio as well. So if you have the skills, get into these ones. If you have any other doubts related to any other job roles, please feel free to let us know in the comment section given below. If you want to have a one-on-one session with study abroad advisors, please use the description box given below and contact us. Feel free to do that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up as well and share this video with someone you think might find it helpful. And if you don't want to miss out on such content, you can also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video again. We'll see you next time.